Anyway, it's a supermoon. Why? Because it's a little closer to us, so it's a little larger, a little brighter, so we'll have a supermoon. Plus, the Native Americans have called every full moon in January a wolf moon, and it's going to be a blood moon because of the eclipse. So really nice. Check that out. It's going to be Sunday night into early Monday morning. All right, we've got some fog out there this morning. Hayes County, Travis County, over towards Lockhart. This dense fog advisory may be expanded a little bit later on this morning because I've noticed some pretty low visibilities here in town, down to about a half a mile. Kerrville a half a mile. Uvalde's down to about a half a mile. San Marcos is at a quarter mile, and Gonzales at about 3/4 of a mile. Just be careful out there this morning. Don't get in too big of a hurry. The fog here in Bexar County is the thickest across the northern part of the county, along 1604, along I-10 to Bernie, and then out towards Medina County from Castroville to Hondo. Temperatures are in the 50s. Most locations at the airport right now sitting at about 55. Let's check on some of the areas out west. Castroville, 54 this morning. Downtown is at 54. Windcrest is at 55. And Kirby coming in at 55 degrees. So kind of a mild morning. There are some showers on the other side of the border. I think most of this activity is likely going to stay to the south, so just a lot of cloud cover this morning and fog. Later on this afternoon, cold front, you can barely make it out. It's way up here in Colorado, but this cold front, this area of low pressure and cold front is going to move to the south pretty rapidly. We'll move in tonight. It'll give us a 20% chance of a shower, and then we're going to tap in to some cold air up towards the north. Those temperatures are chilly, and by the way, really stormy weather out there in California with all that snow and rain. All right, so for us today, lots of clouds and fog, mostly cloudy this afternoon. Highs will be in the lower 70s, around 71. That cold front pushes through, and temperatures tomorrow will be in the 40s most of the day. High will be in the mid 50s or so, about 56, 57, but it's going to be a chilly Saturday. Here's your forecast. Fog and drizzle, 53 this morning. High this afternoon under mostly cloudy skies, 71. Tomorrow, windy. Temperatures in the 40s for a good part of the day. It'll feel like the 30s. Tomorrow is going to be definitely a cold day. Sunday, sunny, high at about 59 after a really cold start in the mid 30s. Monday starts off cold, but ends up pretty nice, 66. And then Tuesday, another cold front comes in. I think Tuesday is going to be kind of a cool day with showers, temperatures in the 50s. Wednesday morning, we'll have to watch really closely. I'm going to say the temperatures will be above freezing, but boy, that's going to be close, and there could be some showers around, so we'll have to watch Wednesday morning. All right, let's take a look at the picture. Use the hashtag. Please send us a picture. Use the hashtag KENS5Eyewitness, and our own Leah Durain took this picture, I think, off of the TV, but this is our camera off the roof. Okay. Beautiful image of the sunset, and again, love for you to send in a picture. Use the hashtag KENS5Eyewitness. Okay.